this video, I will be covering the assembly of the AR15 bolt and bolt carrier group. We start off by adding the ejector spring and ejector to the bolt. The ejector and its spring must be pushed back into the slot to allow the ejector roll pin to enter the cutout in the ejector. This cutout allows the ejector to move back and forth and also acts as a retainer for the ejector and its spring. The extractor and its spring are mounted to the bolt and held in place by the extractor pin. The extractor assembly needs to be depressed into the bolt, compressing the extractor spring. This allows the extractor pin to pass through the pinhole in the extractor. The gas key is attached to the bolt carrier using two bolt carrier key screws. The bolt assembly is inserted into the front of the bolt carrier. The cam pin is inserted through the slot in the bolt carrier and into the bolt at a 90-degree offset angle. Once fully inserted, the cam pin is rotated 90 degrees. The firing pin is added to the assembly via a hole in the back of the bolt carrier and held in place by the firing pin retaining pin. This concludes the assembly of the bolt carrier group.